Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about first mini PC with 80 watt mode for AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS APUs. So friend, the MetaFuni brands introduced the mini PC with 80 watt Ryzen 7 8845HS processor and the higher than desktop 8000G processor. And the MetaFune Genius Cube is a high-end mini PC powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 7 8845HS processor. This is the Hawk Point mobile chip with default TDP set to 45 watt, and AMD also offer a Ryzen 9 8945HS variant which has higher base and boost clock. And the company has used the Ryzen 7 8845HS with 8th generation 4 core for the system, and the 45 TDP is just default setting, allowing the system to operate at noise level of around 31 dB. And in this mode, the system prioritizes low power and low noise level. However, the systems come with two additional settings, and the so-called battle mode enabled at 65 watt TDP designed for gaming, while systems with such a TDP setting are common. In this mode, performance over temperature and noise through it should still stay below 76 Celsius and 88 Celsius in FPS street test at Frost. It will be generate 48 dB of noise, and which is reasonable considering the small system size 15 into 15 into 5 centimeter. Okay. And the mini PC of future include two 2.5 gigabit Ethernet connector, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.0, and USB 4 140 watt and one USB 4 100 watt interface, including USB 4 support 150 watt power supply input, but can also through 140 watt through power delivery 1.3 protocol. And furthermore, there are a USB 3.2 Type C and USB 3.0 Type A port, and a feature also worth a mention in the support for Oaklink connection, making this flagship specification mini PC. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.